In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a single arm shrug. So we're going to be doing this with a dumbbell for resistance, and the whole point of this would be to work one side and then to work the other side. So maybe you've got one side that's stronger than the other and you're looking to build up that weaker side. Or it could be where you've got the strength in both sides, but maybe you feel when you do two dumbbells, you get a better contraction in one side than the other, and you want to isolate both individually. Now you'll have to excuse me for this exercise demo. This is the heaviest I've got here in my office, so I'm sure you'll be doing more weight than this 3 kilo that I'm using. Now, let's say, for example, I'm starting off with my left side. I want you to bring your shoulder blades back. So bring your shoulder blades together without bringing the neck forward. Keep that chin back. And from here, you're going to come up, big squeeze, and back down slowly. Up, really big squeeze, and back down. And I'm keeping my shoulder blades together. So that doesn't mean I'm doing both sides at the same time. Squeezing the shoulder blades, chest up, looking forwards, making sure my chin's not too far forwards. And from here, one side is coming up and slowly back down. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Looking forward, feet hip width apart, chest up, shoulder blades back, and up and slowly back down, shrugging that shoulder directly up towards the ceiling. That's how to do a single arm dumbbell shrug to work your upper trapezius muscles.